Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken the exercise. It is rearranging the words into a meaningful sentence. So this practice has been taken. This practice exercise has been taken from the book Learner's Command, that is for practicing. So let's see. Here are few words given and we have to arrange them into a meaningful sentence. As published, oblique newspaper, then A is daily, weekly, of. Means these words are have been written in a misarranged way, and we have to arrange it according to noun and then verb, then main verb, then object. So let's see how. So it will be, in sentence number 1 will be, a newspaper is published daily or weekly. Second one will be, it provides news and views. Third one will be, it also carries advertisements and other information of public interest. Means आपको इस तरह से अरेंज करना है कि ये एक complete meaningful sentence बन जाए. Then रीडिंग इट डेली मस्ट बिकम अ हैबिट. मीन्स हमें इसको एक हैबिट भी बना लेनी है. अब नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ में फ्यू वर्ड्स हैव बीन गिवन, वी हैव टू चूज. लाइक Gavri was only 8 years old when the mountain of family, because we are indicating how huge, we can say how much burden she had. So here we will use the an, no an, some is not here because we are not indicating to a mountain, to an is not here appropriate. So the mountain of family responsibility means it is indicating the burden of work on her head. So already descended means, because we are talking about past tense, so already descended on her head. So here we have to be very careful while we are filling the blanks. Next is, here we have to find out incorrect word and then we have to supply correct word. As we have seen in the example, Walt Disney was our hero. So here it is in the present tense, so it will be means replaced by was, and here it will be is. Next line, left us, because it is not indicating to a particular person. It is not indicating to any person individually. It is indicating to us all. So me will be us, and here be enjoyed, that can be enjoyed time and again. So he knew how to entertain, not who, how to entertain us so well. He developed a process for creating animated films. So here we have to be very careful about choosing articles, about choosing prepositions, whatever is given, we have to be very careful. Next is here direct and indirect narration. So there is conversation between mother and daughter. So we see here that a mother is asking, why are you worried? So because we remove in question mark, we remove commas and inverted commas, we make it into an assertive sentence, into a simple sentence. So we write it in this way. We will write it in this way. Mother asked her daughter why she was worried. I told you. We convert interrogative into a simple sentence. So full stop will be mentioned, full stop will be marked. Next is here, my exams are approaching. So आपका रूल है कि प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. तो वी विल राइट हेयर हर एग्जाम्स वर अप्रोचिंग. देन मदर इज सेइंग व्हेन विल दे स्टार्ट. तो वी नो वेरी वेल कि विल बिकम्स वुड. मदर further asked when they would be started. Daughter told that it would be started the following month, because we are well aware we convert next month, next week in following month or following week. So these are rules that we follow. Today becomes that day and next becomes following. In that way, yesterday becomes the previous day. In this way we have to convert direct sentences into indirect sentences. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.